God, don't I wish I had a bigger car, and I bet you there was a lot more stuff here than just this. Because these people are rich. They got loads of money. I deliver to them all the time. What the hell is this? Let's see. What is it? Ooh, it's a pressure washer. Oh, you know, I think we might just take that. I wonder if it works. I don't see why it wouldn't, but I guess we'll find out once we take it. Where's the rails? Can't put a bed up with no rails. What do you think? Do you think it's gonna work? We're taking it though. Oh, pieces. Well, that's all she wrote. I bet you there was a bunch of good stuff here. And I'm taking her. See if she works. Alright, on to the next one.